Every day, we're swept up in a relentless dance of demands: work, relationships, and endless to do lists. In this whirlwind of activities, the gentle nudge of our health often goes unnoticed until it crescendos into an urgent cry for attention. Meet Alex, someone whose story mirrors our own, ensnared in the hustle of daily existence, where routine medical checkups are relegated to the realm of the unnecessary. For Alex, minor health issues were dismissed as mere stressors of the day. Yet, an unexpected health scare brought everything to a standstill, highlighting the perils of neglect. This incident wasn't just a wake up call for Alex, but a universal signal about the value of preventive healthcare that so many of us disregard. As we delve into Alex's journey, let it reflect upon us. How many alarms do we need before making our health a priority? Join us as we uncover the transformative impact of embracing regular medical checkups. At the core of our narrative, Alex stands at a critical crossroads, his journey redirected towards health following a startling revelation. The choice for a comprehensive medical checkup marks the dawn of his commitment to self care. Inside the doctor's office, a place of sterile comfort, we become privy to the vital conversations between Alex and his doctor. These interactions, rich with preventive wisdom, underscore the narrative's heart, the proactive measures we can take for our health. Each checkup, elaborated with precision by healthcare experts, duels as a lesson. They not only provide Alex a clear picture of his health, but also serve as educational moments for us, showing the importance of these medical evaluations. Through blood analyses to imaging, these procedures are demystified as preventive tools, key in averting health crises. This segment of the journey isn't just about Alex's path from neglect to health awareness. It's an invitation for us to embark on our own discovery. The story emphasizes a critical tenet: managing our health is not merely a personal triumph, but a collective necessity. As we proceed, witness how Alex's epiphany reshapes not only his future, but highlights the broader significance of every health centric decision made today for a promising tomorrow. With the break of dawn, Alex ventures into a new chapter, centering health in his life's narrative. A simple medical examination becomes the catalyst for this profound change. Each subsequent decision, from choosing nutritious foods to regular jogs, showcases the strength found in proactive health management. Often sidelined, regular medical checkups emerge as crucial protectors of our well-being. Alex's story vividly brings to life the reality that such checkups aren't just dates on a calendar, but are indeed pivotal in identifying and thwarting potential health issues before they worsen. His journey, marked by healthier choices inspired by the insights from these visits, casts a spotlight on the sheer joy and vitality that accompany self-care. Let Alex's story transcend mere narration. Let it be a compelling call to action. Your health is your prerogative. Step into the promise of tomorrow by making your health today's priority. If Alex has shown us that it's never too late to begin, let us take our cue. The path from neglect to nurture is one we can all tread, transforming each day into an opportunity to thrive.